Guys, welcome to the Almond, and today I was going to review cherry peach crumb pie. Now, before we start the video, I just wanted to say I am the owner of the Rexford Almonds wiffle ball team in the Wiffle Ball League 518 Wiffle, and yeah, that's all I want to say, pretty much. Okay, our team isn't doing, I don't know how good our team is, but who knows. But guys, I'm going to start reviewing the pie right now.
Hey guys, so this is what the pie looks like. Yeah, it just looks like a normal crumb pie. You can see the insides. I don't know. It's hard to see the insides. The lighting is not too good. Let me try to zoom in. Maybe it didn't do anything. Okay, but this looks like a normal pie. So I can't wait to eat it because I really like pie. Pie is pretty good. It's a cherry crumb pie from the Noonmark diner, so you know it's probably pretty good.
Guys, I've actually never ate anything with this paper bag with a fork, so I don't know how well this is gonna go, but here we go. Come on. This is a very good pie. I have another slice, another piece. Very, very good pie. I'll finish it off anyway. Tastes like good pie. Very good pie. Cherry peach crumb pie sounds kind of weird, although I love all crumb pies usually, but I've never had cherry peach crumb before, but it's really good. You guys should have it. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and bye.